Ramzan health benefits. What happens to your body during Ramadan fasting? A science-backed guide. What really happens to your body during Ramzan? Is it just about staying hungry and thirsty, or is something deeper happening inside you? From metabolism shifts to gut reset, from fat burning to mental clarity, Ramadan fasting triggers powerful changes in your body. In this video, we'll break down the research-backed health benefits of fasting during Ramzan and what actually happens inside you from Suhoor to Iftar. During the month of Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn, Suhoor, to sunset, Iftar. That means no food, no water, no smoking, and no oral intake for roughly 12 to 16 hours, depending on your location. Unlike many modern diets, Ramadan fasting follows a natural circadian rhythm, eating before sunrise and after sunset. And this timing matters. What happens in the first 4 to 6 hours? After Suhoor, your body begins digesting and absorbing nutrients. At this stage, blood sugar rises, insulin is released, and glucose is used for immediate energy. Your body is still in fed mode. Nothing dramatic yet. But as the hours pass without food, the body prepares for a bigger shift. Studies suggest fasting may increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor, supporting cognitive function and even emotional regulation. One of the most fascinating benefits is autophagy, the body's natural cellular recycling system that clears out damaged proteins. This process is linked to anti-aging effects and reduced inflammation, improving your cellular efficiency over the 30 days. Ramadan also provides a structured rest for your gut, potentially improving microbiome balance and reducing bloating. However, overeating fried or sugary foods at iftar can reduce these benefits. Quality and moderation are key to gut healing. Research suggests improvements in blood pressure and bad cholesterol levels. Controlled fasting helps support overall cardiovascular function. By improving insulin sensitivity and reducing resistance, Ramadan fasting helps your body regulate blood sugar more effectively. Support these results with balanced meals including lean protein, fiber-rich vegetables, and complex carbohydrates at iftar. Fasting also shifts your hormones. Insulin decreases, while human growth hormone or HGH may actually increase. The spiritual discipline of Ramadan, prayer and reflection, helps lower stress levels, which further reduces inflammation. Since you aren't drinking during the day, hydration becomes critical between iftar and suhoor. Drink steadily and avoid excessive salt. Ramadan shifts your sleep schedule. To minimize fatigue, maintain consistent sleep windows and take short daytime naps if needed. Ramadan is a powerful time for both spiritual and physical reset. When managed well, the benefits are profound. Your future self will thank you. Emotional and psychological benefits. Ramadan isn't just physical fasting, it's a time for inner growth. It includes increased gratitude and reduced impulsive behavior, fostering a calmer state of mind. You'll find heightened self-awareness and greater emotional discipline during this holy month. This mindful restraint strengthens self-control, patience, and even dopamine regulation. By temporarily stepping away from constant stimulation, the brain recalibrates its reward pathways. Now, who should avoid fasting? While beneficial for many, it's not suitable for everyone. This includes pregnant or breastfeeding women and people with uncontrolled diabetes. Also, those with chronic kidney disease or eating disorders should prioritize their safety. Islamic teachings provide clear exemptions. Remember, health always comes first. Looking at the bigger picture, Ramadan fasting acts as a structured metabolic reset. It shifts your body from constant consumption to controlled mindful nourishment. Your body moves from continuous digestion to active cycles of cellular repair. It's a powerful transition from mere impulse to intentional discipline. Science increasingly supports the benefits of these intermittent fasting patterns. When practiced mindfully, it supports metabolic health, brain function, and cardiovascular wellness. It also promotes gut balance and builds incredible emotional resilience. Ramadan is a spiritual journey that creates measurable, positive biological changes. Your body adapts, your metabolism shifts, and your cells begin to repair. With balanced nutrition and hydration, this journey is spiritually powerful and physically beneficial. Like, share, and subscribe for more health insights. Ramzan Mubarak. Your future self will thank you.